Hey, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2020. It's currently 6:07 a.m. local here in Vietnam. So that means my 12-hour candles ticked over just over an hour ago. So we have new 12-hour candles. So we're looking at the 12-hour charts, high probability charts. There's been a fair bit of action this morning, so we'll go through it. The link to the shared results spreadsheet will be in the description for the video. I haven't updated that yet, but by the time this video is uploaded, hopefully that'll be done. So we'll start off. Here's my watch list here, all the pairs I'm trading. So the red marks show action pairs I've taken action on this morning. So we'll start with a AusCAD here. Just refer to my notes. In a sell, remember the lines, the intersection, red are sell, and blue is buy, red dots are stops. So yellow dashed lines are overall break even. I think there should be one down there. Yep. So I've taken a sell here. This morning I've moved my stop down to 0.88281. So there's my notes there. So that's a stop for that sell there. And I took a new buy here this morning. You can see the green dot on the QMP filter. Took a new buy. It's a high risk buy, but it's a partial hedge there, so no dramas. So that's the buy in there. Gives me an overall break even down this level here. And as long as that's, because that's overall net plus 0.01. So as long as price stays above that yellow dotted line there, dashed line, I'm in profit. So it's all good. So it's a new buy and stop moved on the sell. Next one, Aussie USD. In a sell here this morning, I closed another 0.01. So it just brings my profit up. That gave me another profit of $10.63. It's been added to the profit to date there. It's just getting a bit tight in here, and I'm starting to draw divergence lines in there. Now, whether they get confirmed or not, I don't know. It's just regular bullish divergence there. So in a sell, haven't moved my stop, just closed a bit and locking in profit. So overall, I can't lose on that trade. Euro yen, what have I done here? The buy trade, which is down here. I've moved my, so the buy trade was there. I've moved my stop up to this level. The yen pairs are on a bit of a tear at the moment. It's hard to get a good read on them. So I moved my stop up to 119,679, and I took a new sell this morning. Yeah, I'm not real keen on this, but it's there. I took that at 120,133, so you can see stop's been moved, and the sell's at 120,333. Now, my overall break even is up here, and it's negative, overall negative 0.01 lot. So as long as price stays below that yellow line, I'm in profit overall between the two trades. I've got a partial hedge there, so I'm quite happy to take them. There is divergence there. There is hidden bearish divergence. You can see lower highs on price, higher highs on the MACD platinum. So it's all right. I'm quite happy with that. Moving on right along, euro. What happened there? All right. This sell was taken back here. Had a stop in place up here, and that was taken out. So the sell's been closed out, so I can get rid of that completely. So it's no longer valid. I just leave the lines on the chart so I can show you where I'm closing them. And that one there. So the sell's no longer in play. So the sell stopped out, gave me $25.82. And on this buy, because the MACD platinum's gone through the zero level and this nice big candle up overnight, I've closed half of that, and that gave me profit of $7.05, and I've set a stop at 10.7731. So the red dotted line there. So the profit's been added. Overall break-even is a point of entry. I'm back down to half a lot. as hopefully push price up towards these MAs here. So it's Euro USD looking good. NZ CAD, pretty straightforward. I'm in a pretty crappy sequence here. Buy, hedge, sell, second buy, second hedge, sell. This morning I took a third buy at this level here. So the MACD platinums remain below the zero level, still got divergence. So I've taken a third buy. You can see my position size increase. My overall break even is at 84831. You can see the notes there. So it's this yellow dashed line. So I'm trying to push this up. The MACD platinum's a long way below the zero level. Trying to push this up to that, at least that yellow dashed line. NZ Swiss franc. In a couple of sequences here, you can pause the video or slow the video down and read my notes. On this second, what have I done here? Swiss, on my second sequence, I just closed another 0.01 lots. It's just getting a bit tight in here, and it looks like it's starting to turn, so I'm just going to try and take a little bit more profit, and that was $9.69. It's been added to the list here, and so I've still got a one sell here with that stop in place there, and I've got this other sequence going at the moment, which is hedged. The overall break even's a long way below, so I really need to get down there, but I don't think I will, so I've got to play this other sequence, this first sequence out. At the moment, the first sequence, the buy, hedge, sell, second buy, second hedge, sell is hedged, so that sequence there is hedged, and I've got an individual trade here, which has got 0.01 left on it with stop in place below the entry level, so I can't lose on this one, but I'm trying to work my way out of this previous sequence. Clear as mud. New Zealand, what have we done here? Taken again, this is multiple sequences, so I've taken a buy, hedge, sell, second buy, hedge, sell. Now today I took a third buy in here on this level. I'm still in another individual trade on this sell trade here, which was on the second sequence, and that's got a stop in place. So I've taken a trade today. You can read it, third buy, 0.1063410. Break even for the sequence is 64016, and the overall break even is just above that at 64021. Both the yellow lines are just about sitting on top of each other or close to each other. So I've got to get up to these yellow lines. MACD is below the zero level. And I'm going to add to this, my mistake. Once I get off this video, I'm going to take another buy trade and start a third sequence here, because the MACD platinum's below the zero level. There's a buy signal there, got divergence. Yeah, once this video is done, I'll be taking another 0.02, which will change my overall break even, because it'll increase the overall position size. So yeah, I missed that. That's what happens first thing in the morning. You do get a bit sloppy. Right, so I'll be taking that. Trust me. USD Swiss franc. Right, I was in several trades here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just getting a bit ugly, a bit messy. My overall break even was this top yellow dashed line. This bottom yellow line was my break even for this sequence. All I've done is closed all 4 trades. So I've just closed everything. There's nothing open on this. It gave me a small overall profit of $10.67. That's been added to the list. So there's no trades on the Swiss franc. Got a clean slate. It's just getting a bit ugly. It's probably a better way of doing this, but I'll keep my trend lines on there. So there's no trades at all on the Swiss franc. And we've got a total profit there of $15.99. So we'll get that wrapped up. Get rid of this one. We'll tidy the rest up later. So no trades. MACD's through the zero level. I just don't want to take any more risk. It's just going a bit sideways. USD Japanese yen. Now, what happened here? My remaining buy trade, which was here, was stopped out. I did have some constructive criticism on my video from yesterday. One, I just closed it out when I got the sell trade. In hindsight, probably should have, but it gave me some protection on the downside. Now that's taken away that protection. So that remaining buy is closed. Where are we? And there was a profit on that of $2.94. Woo, big. Now to sell. So you can see my sell, only the one trade. MACD is a long way above the zero level. So just a matter of patiently waiting now and see how that pans out. So just the sell on the USD Japanese yen. All right, that's about it for the 12-hour charts. If you do like these videos, please subscribe or at least hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. And I've got some work to do on the spreadsheets now, which hopefully will get done. And I'll add that New Zealand buy trade for a third sequence. All right, thanks very much for watching. Cheers.